Morgan from the Ocean City Fishing Center. I got Joey here, mate from the Bay B. Joey, how did your day go today?
We did pretty good today. We had tough wind, but we made it work and we got some nice flounder here. And it was a beautiful day in Ocean City.
So Joey, how does things work on the Bay B usually?
Well, you can come here to the Fishing Center office or you can call in. And we do 2 trips a day, 4-hour trips, 8 to 12 and 1 to 5. We hold up to 26 people. You can make reservations. We provide bait, rod rentals, snacks, drinks. We do it all. You just come and catch fish.
All right, well, if you need to get in touch with the Fishing Center, the phone number is 410-213-1121, and they'll be happy to book you guys a charter.
The Daily Catch at the Ocean City Fishing Center is brought to you by Hook Performance Fishing, Alvin Caterpillar, and Blue Water Yacht Sales.